Hey guys, it's Queen and thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I bought this manga panels from Shopee and I'm gonna stick it on my wall. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah. So, yung laman, Then I got brown envelope. Yeah. Wala nang laman. So yeah, let's open this one. So these are the manga panels. Ano naman? So I bought this Jujutsu Kaisen poster. Tapos meron na rin siyang mga And then I also bought the Black Clover poster. And then Fairy Tail. I like Fairy Tail, like, yeah. Actually, yung poster na yan, mga 3 years na ata. Nabili ko sa SM, sa Comic Alley. And then I also bought this stickers. Tapos yung mga Polaroid sets. Gusto nang tignan. Ooh. So I mainly bought the main characters Polaroid ng Jujutsu Kaisen because I like that anime. Look. Ooh. So that's about it. So let's go to the manga panels. Actually, yung mga manga panels na nabili ko ay from Fairy Tail, Black Clover, Jujutsu Kaisen, and basta may other two pa, nakalimutan ko na. So yan, let's stick it on my walls. Ay, ano pala to? 7 Deadly Sins. So, yeah, first, before ako mag-stick ng mga manga panels, I am gonna, yeah. So, I'm done with the Kakegurui manga panels. Like, I'm done sticking double-sided. And then, so the next manga panels are this. Black Clover. I want to stick it on first. last one. That's so nice. What? Oh my god. What a spoiler. Like, do this. Perfect. Hi, so I'm done sticking here, this side. So yeah, and I noticed that I still have like a space right here, so I'm gonna put the stickers. I'm not gonna stick it. No, I'm gonna stick it. Hey guys, so update, it's been a week since I've posted the manga panels on my walls and they are still sticking strong in my wall. So just make sure that if you're gonna stick the manga panels on the wall, make sure to put a lot of double-sided tape and do not get them wet and do not focus your fan on the walls where you got your manga panels in, because it will tear them apart. Yeah, I only posted the manga panels in here and not this side or like the side of the room, cause my mom will get angry if I put manga panels all over my room, and I just painted my room white, so I don't want to put manga panels all over my room, so I just put it in this side. And also, I bought them from Shopee. I'm gonna post the link down below in the description box. That's it for my vlog for today. I know it's short and it's not really interesting for most of you guys if you don't like mangas and animes. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye!